Hi guys, I'm going to explain to you 8.1. It's about physical safety when you're using computer equipment. So the first one will be electrocution. So my black color ink will be the cause. Of course, in your textbook you can find more. I'm just going to go through the basic ones so that you will have some idea what's going on. And the orange will be the prevention. So for electrocution, the cause of it is exposed live wire. It means that wire that didn't have plastic coating on top of it. So it's literally just a copper wire. And then when it's turned on, you go and touch it, then you get electrocuted. And another cause of electrocution is spilling of water. So same thing, it's common sense. So prevention would be don't have liquids near your computer equipment. Don't drop your computer equipment into your water, okay, in a liquid. But it won't cause electrocution. It will make your device, let's say your phone, can't use anymore. And then proper wiring. So make sure your wires have cover, plastic wire, plastic cable, or any non-conductor. Okay. Next one will be tripping hazard. You can fall mainly because of the wires that's on the floor. It's not organized, it's on the way, or any equipments that you put on the floor. Basically, this happens because you are not organized. To prevent it, proper wiring, or you can say proper cabling. And then next one will be falling of heavy equipment. This one is just not simply falling. It's because falling of computer devices. Example like printers. If you have a tiny table and you try to put your printer at the side of the table, of course, if you accidentally knock on it, it's gonna fall. And it's not just gonna fall on the ground, it's gonna fall on your toe, maybe. That is the concern of this topic, of you getting hurt. Okay, so for that's one of the cause. Another one is you are literally using an unstable table. So prevention would be get a large table, get a stable table. If it's about cabinets falling, okay, in your IT room or whatever room, if the question is about say it's about falling of heavy equipment, but the scenario given is where the place is have earthquake frequently and stuff like that. So for cabinets, you can suggest that if they fix it to the wall. Okay, last one will be fire hazard. Fire hazard because you overuse your equipment and it's become due to overheat, then you can have a fire hazard, spark, or overloaded sockets, where they initially only give you 2 plug points, but instead of using just 2, you go and add more by using like the more like a tripping plug, but you can add more like top, bottom, and the sides and all that. So that can be a hazard. So prevention will be you shut down your computer after usages, not for every break you shut it down. Okay, so after you are done, let's say you are working from uh let's say you're having your online class, you're doing any homework, you are done, then you shut off and don't overload the socket. So that's all for 8.1.